changing struts in an Uplander. First you're going to zip off these tires. Get one of these. It's a Milwaukee impact wrench, electric and corded and very powerful. So here we are. I started on this side, and what I did is I sprayed some PB Blaster on these bolts right here, and then on this wonderful bolt right here to the sway bar link, and down here where it does join the sway bar. And then I also, if you're already in there, guys, go ahead and replace your wonderful bushings, the sway bar bushings as well, because chances are they could use it. This is a 2003 and this is 2018, so I got my sway bar bushings right here. Pretty psyched, but that should be a quick one. That's what everybody says. So we'll see, and I'll clue you in on the progress of everything as I go. So to get these bolts off, it's 5/8 or 15 millimeter. Usually I think a 15 millimeter is what you're gonna want to use. And you need a deep socket to get to these because it's such a delicate area. You could take this off, but just use the deep socket. In the meantime, I already zipped off these bolts, and I'll use a sledgehammer to pound those out. You only need to, if you're replacing the sway bar link also, you don't need to do this upper part, which is just a pain. All you have to do is detach this from the sway bar, and then you're in business. Now on the top side, on the passenger side of the Uplander, you're gonna have to use a 10 millimeter to take off this circuit box, and then you'll have to remove this crossbar. That's what's next. Got an update, okay? So, back in here, underneath, you're going to find that there's these wonderful nuts holding the mounting, or these are the mounting screws. What I did is I zipped these wonderful bolts off from here, and I left the nut just on the edge of the bolt and then pounded them out with a sledgehammer. I left one mounting bolt up in there and then just dismounted this, so I'm about to take this out. The sizes for this is 15 millimeter, 21 millimeter for that, and that's 18 millimeter. And here we go.